Hi students, it's me Rashid Ayub, Professor of Mathematics. Today I will tell you how you can find out partial derivative of different function which contain multivariable, and this topic is related to multivariable calculus or calculus 3 or vector and tensor. Now, if you take a function of multivariable, let's suppose f of x y x plus y, then how you can take the derivative with respect to x? Then just take partial f of partial x, partial of partial x, x plus y. Students, here you are taking the derivative with respect to x only. So all the remaining variable will behave like a constant quantity. So partial x, x plus partial x of y. As I told you, you just take the derivative with respect to x. So x by x will be 1, but y behave as a constant quantity when you are taking the derivative with respect to x. So it will become 0, the answer is 1. On the other hand, if you want to take the derivative with respect to y of the same function, f of x y, x plus y, and you want to find out the derivative with respect to y, then partial derivative with respect to y, x plus y. Okay, separate the partial derivative. Now students, derivative of x with respect to y will be 0 because x behave like a constant quantity when you are taking the derivative with respect to y. So it will be 0, and the partial derivative of y with respect to y, it will be 1. So answer is 1. Now I am going to take the exponential function e x over y, which is equal to f of x y. Okay, I want to find out the derivative with respect to x. When you want to find out the derivative with respect to x, it means y behave as a constant quantity. So partial over partial x, e of x of y, okay, as it is, and then take the derivative, that is the partial derivative of the exponent, and log, natural log of base, that is e. So the log e is equal to 1 e x y. As I told you, when you are dealing with the partial derivative, then other than x, because you are taking the derivative with respect to x, other than the remaining variable will behave a constant quantity. 1 over y is a constant, it will become outside from the derivative. Okay, partial over partial x of x. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So e of x y, 1 over y, after arranging, this is your required answer. And now another function. Okay, now I am taking logarithmic function x plus y. Now take the partial derivative with respect to y. Okay, when with respect to y, that is log x plus y, 1 over x plus y, and the partial derivative with respect to y of the function x plus y, 1 over x plus y. The partial derivative of x with respect to y, 0. Partial derivative of y with respect to y is 1. So the answer is 0 plus 1. The final answer is 1 over x plus y. Another function, sin inverse x plus y. Okay, and I want to find out the derivative with respect to x. 1 over 1 minus x plus y whole square, and the partial derivative with respect to x. What is inside the sin inverse? So x plus y is the inside of sin inverse. So you should take the derivative with respect to x. So the answer is 1 over 1 minus x plus y whole square. Partial x with respect to x is 1 and with respect to y it is 0. So the final answer 1 over 1 minus x plus y square root. Hope you find now partial derivative all type of the function, and you like this video. Thank you very much, and please like, share, comment on my video.